Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 3 screws securing the housing. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 3 screws. Before the housing can be lifted, slide the tabs out of their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF5197 filter into the housing. It can only be installed with the housing in one orientation. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, reinstall the screws. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.